The 3 acts of your entrepreneurial journey. Part 3. I can almost hear you ask, can I skip all that with a mentor to guide me through? Well, the answer is no, and that's the way it should be. Here's why. Yes, you do need a mentor. Having one is key to your success when building a network marketing business. After all, Steve Jobs mentored Mark Zuckerberg, Maya Angelou mentored Oprah, even Mother Teresa was mentored by Father Michael Vanderpeet. Who knows if all those would be successful without their teachers? Your mentor is your strategist and most honest critic, but he or she is only there to guide you, to point the way, not to lead you through the belly of the whale. That you do alone.
Hello, how you doing? Hope you are doing great. It's a pleasure to be with you today, as usual, to share pure value that will help you move your business forward to the next level. In case you're listening for the first time, welcome to my platform. My name is Ogo Hidawi. I'm a social media expert and online business coach. I help network marketers and business owners with tips, tools, and strategies to build a solid network marketing business online. So able to know targeted markets and prospect using online business tools that can be used on all the social media platforms to be able to generate leads and make more sales. Welcome to my platform. Thank you so much for today. Today we'll continue on the topic we started. The 3 acts of your entrepreneurial journey, part 3. I repeat, the 3 acts of your entrepreneurial journey, part 3. You can make reference to the part 1 and part 2. Welcome to my platform. Thank you so much for tuning in. I can almost hear you ask, can I skip all that with a mentor to guide me through? Well, the answer is no. And that's the way it should be. Here is why. Yes, you do need a mentor. Having one is key to your success when building a network marketing business. After all, Steve Jobs mentored Mark Zuckerberg. Maya Angelou mentored Oprah. Even Mother Teresa was mentored by Father Michael Vanderpeet. Who knows if all those people would be successful without their teachers? Your mentor is your strategist and most honest critics. But he or she is only there to guide you, to point the way, not to lead you through the belly of the whale. That you do alone to succeed. You must concentrate your desire to shine light into the pitch black unknown. That is your future. Here at my community, we provide mentorship. That's true. But we cannot provide desire, the will, to follow through and achieve your dreams. That's on you. Is the reward worth the struggle? What say you? Let's proceed. As we question the summit, the final, though never complete phase of your journey is becoming a leader and mentor in your own right. Perhaps paradoxically, along the way you realize your journey is not about you or your needs. Heroes and entrepreneurs alike ain't serving themselves. No, they serve a higher calling of service to others. In business, your key insight is to discover the needs your prospects don't yet know how to satisfy for themselves. Without your help, and hey, they might not even know what they need. I repeat, in business, your key insight is to discover the needs your prospects don't yet know how to satisfy for themselves. Without your help, and hey, they might not even know what they need. That is it. After all, who needed an iPad before it existed? Who didn't need an Apple Watch until after it existed? Or how about this? Xerox think tank invented the personal computer, complete with the mouse and point and click interface. But the executive couldn't understand how they could help anyone make better copies. They were stuck in their own dying paradigm. So that technology was shelved until Jobs and Gates came along to essentially steal these ideas. Crazy, right? Not everyone has the vision or courage to see what will best serve the market. In this stage of your journey, Your ego is your biggest adversary. I repeat, in this stage of your journey, your ego is your biggest adversary. So here is your objective. Give people what they need to reach their goals. Become the Obi-Wan to their Luke, the Hagrid to their How, the Gandalf to, well, you get the picture. See, facing your own challenges, trials, and the belly of the whale qualifies you to help others do exactly the same. And that's how you help other people get what they want, which is the key to reaching your own goals. Like Ziegler said, you get all you want in life if you help enough other people get what they want. Thus, our tree of the journey is all about helping others and providing value. That's the heart and soul of any successful business. At the end of the day, we have all got to slay a few monsters to get to the top. And we need all the help we can get. For example, Jobs was booted from his own company in the early 90s. Went through challenges of co-founding Pixar, then came back to Apple and turned it into the behemoth we know today. That's one man's journey. Naturally, he didn't do all those things alone. And neither did any other fictional or entrepreneurial hero. Life isn't a solo act, it's a team effort. Your third act is all about being inspiring to others and guiding them to their second act. Providing value to others is what makes you a leader and creates deep, lasting abundance in your life. Got it? Okay, let's recap. Act 1, the call to entrepreneurship. Act 2, the road of trial with the help of your mentors. Act 3, questing the summit. Show service to others. This model is universal, older than the pyramid. The first act is all about desire. You have got to get off your boot and take action. Act 2 is about perseverance and having the humility to learn from others. The final act is cultivating leadership and providing value to others to receive your ultimate reward. And how do you become a mentor? How do you engage in leadership where you are not a leader until you are leading? Leadership is a value, and the first step is attracting an audience to serve. So if you would like to learn a proven way to ignite the call to entrepreneurship in others, then make sure you get access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp. You will learn about the specific tools and techniques you can use to connect with prospects online. I mean, if you're ready to ignite the entrepreneurship in others, if you would like to learn more about working effectively, thinking critical, and getting real results in your business, then I strongly recommend getting access to the free 10-day online recruiting bootcamp. That if you are ready to ignite the entrepreneurship in others and discover how to build your business using attraction marketing, click on the link below or click on the learn more on my fan page. Opt in your name and email to get it. You will learn all about the specific tools and techniques we use to connect with prospects online. So you never have to act desperate, chase down or storm and prospect, or deal with cold calling and rejection ever again. These methods allow you to build your business automatically, where prospects reach out to you instead of you having to reach out to them. The bottom line is that in today's age, you don't need to be pushy, obnoxious, or overly aggressive to build a successful business. So if you're ready to get started, if you're ready to ignite the entrepreneurship in others, you can click on the link below to get into a 10-day recruiting bootcamp today. Thank you so much for tuning. God bless you.
I help you with tools and training to build a solid online business and attract your perfect team members. Follow me. I help you with tools and training to build a solid online business and attract your perfect team members. Follow me.